Hi, we're here at RF Orchids just to check out all the beautiful orchids they have. So, ready to dig in? Let's grow. Here we are. Our orchids are already blooming on the trees just as you even come into the parking lot. There's our pretty car. Underneath an orchidea, several orchids. Look at them all, everywhere. Just everywhere here. Wow, massive ponytail palm. One of their orchid houses. These are super tough, full sun. It's called the orange reed stem orchid, and you can actually grow it in soil. Prepared to be wowed. Wow. So, these beauties, these are Vandas, and they are spectacular. Vandas will have this shape. This is a typical shape for a Vanda. Big, big chunky roots. Beautiful, right? Here are the sale prices. Phalaenopsis here. They're so pretty. And I know we're in the sale area, but if you look over here at this beauty, this is a bulbophyllum Phalaenopsis, or tongue orchid, and it is way too rich for my bank account. That's 650 bucks, y'all. Crazy, huh? But so pretty. Phalaenopsis. And up here on the top shelf, you can see two dendrobiums. You can see one of them is in bloom. These mini pink phalaenopsis are singing my song. I'm definitely going to pick up one of these. And y'all, I'm so digging this part of the greenhouse with these yellow epidendrums and these beautiful pink bromeliads and red bromeliads flowering next to it. Oh, it's so beautiful. These are some of my favorite color combinations in the garden. These pinks and yellows and reds. Mwah! Beautiful. And these happy little orange flowering orchids over here are the Cattleya Fuchs Orange Nugget. It's like I want to take all the orchids home with us. Oh, decisions. I mean, come on, adorable. And if that's not enough, they had to torture us with putting in some beautiful blue and pink hydrangeas. They don't typically grow down here in South Florida, but you can keep them for a while. Oh, they're so pretty. And fun fact, did you know if you lower the pH in the soil, the hydrangea will bloom blue? And if you make it more alkaline, meaning a higher pH, they'll flower pink. Isn't that cool? If you were to put them in the ground in South Florida, most likely all the hydrangeas would be flowering pink because we have a very alkaline soil. Look at that Phalaenopsis. Wow. Mickey crown. Oh, look at this beautiful lemon yellow Cattleya. Look at this Vanda. Whoa. Almost like a spotted leopard. How beautiful. And to get your paws on one of these, the full name for this orchid is the Vanda Sanchel Gold Spot Leopardo. Everybody, they have a whole greenhouse dedicated to Vandas. Look at them. Look at them. I mean, come on, look at these colors. And this whole greenhouse has small, medium, and large, with prices ranging from $15 for small ones to $30 for medium size and well over $70 for the large ones. Wow. Wow. May have to get one of these. Wow. Oh my goodness. Heaven! Look at this. Just a little bit of heaven on earth over here at RF Orchids. How beautiful. Oh my God, she's gonna have some babies. Oh, she's getting ready. She's getting ready. Bam, and bam, and bam. Wow. Isn't this amazing? If you're interested in finding ways to grow orchids inside your home or even outside in your garden, please check back with our channel. We're going to keep posting videos on how to take care of orchids in the home and outside. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Wow. The Mario, look at that. It's so pretty. There's so many beautiful babies. Oh. And over here, even though it's not an orchid, you may know this. They have the pink one at Fairchild. Mandanilla magnificent. magnifica. Couldn't stay any longer, folks, because I was going to buy too many orchids. So time to mosey on home. Well, that was amazing, right? And look, we got some babies for our house. Okay, well, until next time, bye. If you found value in this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. We post weekly. Thanks.